The hardest ingredient to find for a weeknight meal is time. Making fresh, healthy meals for my family is important, but I often sacrifice flavor by taking shortcuts. But with the quick cooker, I can do it all in one pot. It's the answer for healthy fast food. It will transform the way you cook weeknight meals. It has 16 settings to sear, steam, slow cook, proof bread, and more, and does everything from stews and roasts to desserts. And because it cooks so quickly, it even helps veggies retain more of their nutrients. Plus, you don't need to stand over it while it cooks. And I love that it keeps my food warm while everyone gathers to the table. I know what you might be thinking. It's too good to be true. Pressure cookers can be intimidating, but once you use it, you will be hooked, just like I am. Let me show you how we designed it to be safe, intuitive, and easy to use. Our steam release is positioned away from the button, so your hands aren't in the path of hot steam. Ours is safe to the touch while it's cooking. The body has a double wall construction that keeps the lid and body cool. Instead of having a carrying handle on the top, ours has handles built into the base, so you can put it away easily when you're done cooking. It's more comfortable to carry at the base, and the lid won't accidentally open. Now, the best way to get started is to use it. So let's try it out. Have you ever forgotten to take the chicken out of the freezer in the morning, and when dinner rolls around, there's nothing to make? We've all been there. Instead of just ordering a pizza again, just take out a few frozen chicken breasts and you'll have dinner in less than 20 minutes. Here's how to do it. First, remove the lid. Put the chicken in the bottom of the inner pot with a little seasoning or salsa to add flavor. You always want to add about a cup of liquid because that's what creates the steam. If there isn't enough liquid in the pot, it will evaporate before the cooker comes to pressure. There's also little measure marks inside the pot so you know where to fill to. Now lock the lid and make sure the steam release button is flush with the lid handle, not pushed down. And the steam icons are aligned. Turn the menu knob to select the poultry setting and adjust the time to 8 minutes. Then just press start. It'll take about 10 minutes to come up to pressure. You can see the display from a distance to see how much longer it has to cook. You can also see the red pressure indicator from a distance so you can clearly see when it's under pressure. When the time's up, you can either let the pressure release naturally or press the button to release it quickly. Now be careful when you release the pressure because it's hot. Even though our steam release valve is positioned away from the button, you still want to keep your hands, face, body, and cabinets away from the valve. Dinner's ready in less than 20 minutes. Amazing. Now, if you aren't ready to eat right away, the Keep Warm feature makes sure your food is hot and fresh when you're ready to eat. Once you're done, put the inner pot in the dishwasher to clean up. It couldn't be easier. One of the best features of the quick cooker is how fast it cooks big cuts of meat, like roasts that normally take all day, and how tender and delicious they turn out. So you'll get delicious stews and dinners that taste like they've been cooking all day, but in a fraction of the time. But it does so much more than meat. It's great for seafood, pasta, and grains. You can make beans without soaking them and create delicious, hearty vegan meals. It even makes cheesecakes and other desserts easy. You have everything you need to get started as soon as you take it out of the box. The wire rack is even great for hard-boiled eggs that are so easy to peel. You can add accessories to build on your quick cooker skills. The ceramic pot is sold separately and lets you make a main dish and a side separately at the same time. The springform pan helps you make decadent desserts. The more you use our quick cooker, the more you'll fall in love with it. Whether you're starved for time on a busy weeknight or usually spend all day trying to achieve deep, rich flavors, this quick cooker can do it all in a fraction of the time.